Hello everyone, this is AV from avdoeswhat.com, the DIY and lifestyle blog. It is almost Cinco de Mayo and I have the perfect cocktail for you. Watermelon, mint, margarita, frose. Are you ready for that? This is like a margarita turned up several levels. Hashtag levels. All you need is frozen watermelon chunks, mint leaves, lime juice, preferably fresh, sugar, tequila, and a rosé of your choice. Many recipes suggest that you use ice, but why water down your cocktail when you can just freeze the rosé? Take your rosé, pour it into an ice tray, and freeze for about 6 hours or so. I also suggest that you use a darker colored rosé because you lose some of the color while freezing. Now let's get started. Now that you know how to make this delicious cocktail, I hope you incorporate it in all of your summer shindigs. To find more amazing recipes and dope DIYs, please visit avdoeswhat.com. And while you're doing that, don't forget, life is better when you do it yourself. Until next time, peace out.